I feel like the grocery industry has always been a good, decent, solid job with good benefits.
As a single parent without alimony or child support, I was able to raise my son.
It has been an extremely good job. I've raised 4 children. I've got one already through college, one in college.
There was a time that nobody ever left. It was a 9% turnover because it was a good job.
I used to see people getting loans to buy cars when they first got the job. Now they're pulling up on their skateboards or they're sitting on the bus bench. You know, I mean, there's been a lot of changes and they're not going in a good direction at all.
And it goes back to our buddy Joe Albertsons used to say we always want to pay them at the highest level in the industry and share the profits with them. And I don't know what ever happened to that philosophy.
It's our hard work that make Albertsons profitable, and this company is not losing any money.
It's like our stores feed whole communities.
We're the ones inside of there. The customers come because of the employees.
During the strike, it was very rough on all the members. We did not expect to go through 5 months of not working.
The strike was very difficult. I was a very dedicated employee. Like I said, I was a supervisor before all this happened, so I was in management. Once I was put out on strike and I seen all my friends and family out on the picket lines, I realized that this company could care less. They were heartless.
I mean, you have a workforce that on average has an average of anywhere from 10 to 15 to 20 years with Ralph's. And 3 years ago, that loyalty was rewarded by us being escorted out the doors and then the company breaking every labor law in the book to ensure that we stayed out there.
A lot has to do with the last contract that we got. It's deteriorated the benefits for those of us that have been here for 32 years. And the new people coming in, they aren't being paid enough, and they're having to wait so long for benefits for themselves and then their families.
When you have 2 people doing the same thing, getting paid different wages, just because when they were hired.
Yo tengo 2 trabajos. Yo trabajo toda la noche y entro aquí a las 8 de la mañana y salgo a las 5 de la tarde. ¿Por qué tengo 2 trabajos? Porque es muy caro. No tengo los mismos beneficios que los antiguos trabajadores tenían.
The pay and the health benefits aren't the same, you know? And I figured it should be, you know, same pay for same work.
The 2-tier program or system is definitely discouraging and it's detrimental to this as a career.
It's lowering our level of customer service for our customers.
I mean, it affects the morale of the whole store.
We understand the cost of benefits. We're not stupid. We understand what they cost, and we appreciate everything that we've had for all these years. And we were willing to give some of that up.
They want their stock options and their big bonuses. And you know, another perfect example is just what's going on with Home Depot. It's the same thing that's happening to us. Somebody comes in, screws up the company, then he steps down and he's getting $210 million.
Yo hago un llamado, por favor, a que sean justos y que se pongan un ratito, unos minutos en nuestro lugar, y que vean todo lo que nosotros gastamos para sacar adelante a nuestra familia.
If we don't take it back right now, we have nothing to look forward to.
That's why we all stick together, and we have to stick together.
I don't want to go back out on strike, but if I have to, I will.
We are definitely going to get a good contract. We're going to fight to make sure that happens.
A fair health plan, a fair pension plan, fair wages. I don't think we're asking for anything unreasonable.